Hi guys, it's me Krisha. So, kuan.
How many minutes?
2 or 3. So, isa man ako istorya. Isa man ako ikuan.
Hi guys!
We are preparing food. Maggusto kang itlog?
Yeah.
Asa, ikuan, i-mix?
Oh, ana. Tapos butangan ako, oh. I'm going to put some tomato. Yeah. And...
Isa lang, duhaon.
Oh, sige.
Ay, tuluhon kay basta yung gusto si kuan.
Oh, sige.
So, recently, gikan ko nag-ski. Sakto?
Yeah, perfect.
Unya, magsakit ko. Ambot lang, ngano, kay init man akong gisok. Ha? Makuha sa kong phone.
Pwede po mo i-transfer butong dra.
Aha.
Ang katong phone. While nag-talk ka.
But,
I-share mo ha. You can share your holiday in Norway. How was your experience?
why is it extending? It's okay, right?
Yeah, how was your experience?
It was fun. It was enjoyable.
Very good.
And yeah, I enjoyed it so much.
That's good to hear.
I was sad to go home.
But the thing is, when you go back here, you're feeling sick.
Yeah, but I think it was 2 days before we're gonna muli.
Yeah.
Nagsakit, nag-start na kuan.
Oh,
Isipot na.
that's so sad.
Yeah.
But you're still enjoying.
Yeah, I hope that excuse me. I hope that I will be better before I start school again.
That's why you really need to drink medicine.
I don't think it is magic.
So we're preparing our dinner for tonight. I'm just having one bread and egg. While Krisha with tomato. While Krisha, she's having rice and chicken. Also this egg also.
And maybe with the mama's homemade fish.
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna have some tea.
Yeah, me too. I also have ginger tea with lemon. Then so
Where's our pan?
Here are. Cooking with Krisha and at the Twinkle.
Okay, i-change na po.
Hi, one viewer.
Who's that?
I don't know. I can't see who it is.
I think you can put it here or there.
Let's put it here, but there. Oh, this is on the way, so let's put it here.
Oh, it's quite dark.
It's fine. It's because
We're cooking some egg.
Dada, ay. Ignore. What?
What you do?
We're cooking some egg.
Yeah.
Hvad tager I live?
Yeah.
Om jeg skal have æg, var det du spurgte om?
Nej. Men du skal selv smøre den med.
Ja.
Og så lægge det på bordet, og så rydde op igen.
Har du
Så nemt er det.
Okay. We're cooking.
We're cooking. Dada, vil du vise dig selv her?
Vis mig selv til hvem? Det er bare til Ritsen.
Nej.
Det er gammel, der ser på.
Jo.
Er det?
Ja.
Det stod jo bare 2.
Ay.
Usap. Ano na kaya katuwa ang ano eh?
Aray.
Dito na tibutan.
Laman, magpuna na siya, oh. Ay, nasuan si mama.
Hi! Saan niyo siya pag-on?
Okay, guys. So guys, mag-start na sa food school karong Monday after my vacation. Ako na butang itlog.
Oh, yeah.
Mag-slice egg.
Hi po, sir. We're cooking our food, our dinner. Sir Jimboy Genoria. Dapat po, masarap po yan.
Ay, ano?
Of course.
How was your day, everyone?
Ano ba siya? Against the light.
Okay na. Okay. Tapos na yung kuwal na luto ka. Ate,
Yeah?
alin sa kanin.
Hi, Sir. Shout out po, Sir Lion ng Mindanao. What else? Ikaw, interview sila. Sir Megs Miranda, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Magkano pa ka kutsilyo? Ate,
Ah?
magkano pa ka kutsilyo?
Yeah.
For what?
Ha?
Ay, ano, din na ako siya gasan para sa inyong bread.
Ang kutsilyo?
Or, kani ba? Magkano pa ka?
Asa man nga bread itong...
Arang bread.
Ay, dili.
Ito pa gusto mo nito, ha?
Oh, dila.
Okay. Pero din ako siya gasan para sa inyong bread. Black plate ba? O gusto ko yung plato. Kani mo, ha? Wala.
O sige, chicken sila. Kaya naiba kong mga na-rejoin. Kaya sila kabaluahan ka dito.
Na naging busy yata kayo mo dyan. Anong meron? Wala lang. Sige po. Pila ka ba na ha?
One. Yung kuya, pila.
Bakit na eh?
Ipang talaga para ma-ready na ito yung food. Sir, busy yata kayo dyan. Ano meron? We're just cooking our dinner po. Good evening. Da? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Gusto ka?
Alas 12 na sa Philippines.
Isa
So,
na mo ha?
if alas 12 na sa Philippines, bakit kayo hindi pa po natutulog? Why you guys are still not yet sleeping? Thank you. Okay, ano na sila? Ichikahin na sila lang. Hila ka, kuya?
Isa ra daw. So today, ikay pagsunta ka. E dili.
Ha?
Wala. First, I start my day at sa oras na
Awesome.
7:30.
Okay, he's asking what country are we? What country are we?
Denmark.
Kung saan bansa tayo ngayon?
Denmark.
Denmark. Where's the bread lang?
Basta para sa taas. Nagbutan akong duha. Isa mo, isa ka
Ah,
na.
sige. Tapos,
Kuan.
basta buto mo na po ko.
Magpuan pa.
Buto na po.
Magin mo.
Okay.
Kaya kung gusto pa mo, na bagong arroz din sa balay.
Naay?
Bagong arroz. O
Unsa?
kuan. Kung na bread din ha sa freezer. Kung pinaka bread imo gusto ko ang magkuha ka.
Ah.
Unya, imo ka na dayon. If mo pagawas. Ay imong makaon. Sagot ka?
Yeah. Kung dili mo kaya mahurot, dapat dili ka magpagawas.
Oo.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay.
Anya ang bread nasa freezer. Ikatunga mo siguro.
Freezer.
Freezer na din mo?
There's still some bread.
Oo, pero ako man na. Pero pwede ka magkuha, oy.
Okay, later.
Magkuha, di ka para sa kuha. Isa. May magkapatid ba kayo dili? Hindi.
So, here is our egg. It looks like pizza. Comment. Magkapatid ba kayo? Ano po? Hindi.
Long lost sibling. Ako? Yeah.
Ang sarap. Super.
Maayo. Taga mo?
Yeah.
Taga saan
Po kayo.
Taga saan po kayo
Sa Philippines.
sa Pilipinas? Yeah.
Ow.
Thank you. Roxas City po ako. Ako na dati.
Ah?
Ano dati?
Saan?
Roxas City.
Rojas.
Rojas.
It's in Manila. Ano? Luzon. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken.
Is it in...
Asha, ano siya, Duterte or Marcos? Duterte
yeah.
or Marcos?
She is asking Duterte or Marcos ba? Bisaya po ako ay.
Rojas? It's fine. Yeah.
Kahit ka kuya. Wala na iyo ako. Pagkalan mo po yan.
Okay. I'm going to have
Ilonggo ako. Ako kay Bisaya. Grabe, life of one girl.
it depends. Lang.
Oh. I was just telling that. Ilonggo.
I-question sila. Naapay, duha ka, nagtanaw. Ina-comment.
Naiduha. Tulo.
Isa.
Ampot. Siguro taga Cebu kayo. Dili.
Tumpak, ganun.
Tagakuan. Tagakuan me. Mindanao.
Of course.
Nakamdate music sa kuan.
Taga Cebu. Nah. We're not from Cebu.
Tagakuan me.
Mindanao.
Mindanao. Di ka magkuha sa mong bread?
Ay, sorry. Ooh.
Di, crispy kayo na. Labad. Basin si Consitan. Bahala na eh.
Kuya doesn't like this.
Basta eh.
Ipakita doon sa iya.
Hindi, okay na. Okay na lagi.
Tapos, asan yung butanganan?
Ano, bebe? Pwede na. Pero, pinitanda. Ano yun? Kita na ito din.
Our bread is sunog. But we can still eat this one. Anong name mo, ate? Ano daw name mo lang? Her name is Krisha. Her name is Krisha. He's asking what's her name.
Krishka.
Yeah, that's why I told him.
Sige po po.
Uy, naghatag kag bread ka kuya, tapos wala siya egg.
Ha?
Unsa man niyang i-pair sa iyang bread?
Daghan kay siya mga palaman din ha.
So, he doesn't like egg.
Total na ko, dada. Dada eh.
Okay.
Dumasit si gusto. Dito dumasit si gusto ko.
So, I'm having this sriracha. Masarap yan pag may kapares na coffee. Of course, super. Lang. Nasya gingon.
Masarap yung pagkaparis ng sa coffee. Ate.
He's talking about the bread.
Ah. Do I look older than you? Do I look older than you?
He's asking your name. What's your name daw?
Nag-ingon naman ko.
Wala kaya.
Nag-ingon mo eh?
Sure?
Oo.
Ano wala pa dungo? Wala lagyan na lang. Butter.
Smooth like butter. You know that like summer.
And yes, oops, this is our food. We have egg and bread. This is our dinner for tonight. And I'm going to put some butter.
Just easy and kuan, simple.
Yes. I'm going to put some butter on my bread. But not that much. Like this.
And some sandwich cakes. That's from Norway.
This one?
Uh-uh.
Vegan?
I think so. My name is Meg Smura.
Oh, what a nice name you have.
Yes.
Her name is Krisha. Krisha, say hi.
Hello. Ako na sarado?
Yes, thank you. So,
my tea.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to drink coffee also. Summer feeling. Sarap. Yes, super. Sarap yan. Super. Super.
Okay.
Yeah. Ulo kayo ka po. Saka na pagtaas. Sige. Ako lang, ay like for example, once na nasakan ko sa taas, tapos nagpabili na dito ako, pero dito pa. Ikaw dali pa. Okay. We're going upstairs now. Pili ko ginana lang.
Okay. Isa na lang kaplato para. Tuluha daw. Ito na lang ah. Para kakat ka dali.
Okay. Hi po, Sir Nebla Blayo. Thank you for watching. Okay na ba? Na-i-add ko siya sa FB. Supo.
Okay.
Her name is Krisha.
Nakatambol po dito?
Yeah. Her name is Krisha. Good evening, good morning, Sir Nebla Blayo. I don't know. You can ask. Oh, sige na. We're gonna go upstairs kasi doon kami kakain. And this is our food. Egg, 1 bread, and sriracha. This is a little bit spicy. And Krisha have rice, chicken, and also our dessert. Ako lang kuha.
Ako ni mama.
Ha?
Isda.
Where?
Nasaan?
Okay, okay. So let's go. It's quite dark here. Careful. We're going to eat here upstairs. Para makaingay kami. Turn on the light. Where's our light? Yes. What's this?
Ay, wala sa para din hina.
Okay. So, ang akong kwaon is I think I can put it here. Is it fine?
Oo.
Yeah. Ano na?
Yes.
Gusto ko kag-ininit or ako lang?
Lana ko'y kuan. Then palihog din ko sa isda. Ay, ate! Palihog din ko kuan tinidor. Thank you. Saan na? Hi, 3 viewers. Sama ko ingon. The weather today is kuan, cloudy and kuan, rainy. So it's not that good. But it's fine. I'm just staying here inside, kay init. Tugnaw sa gawas. So, yes. Mukbang. No. Mukbang time. Sakto. Mukbang. Mukbang. Basta.
This one?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's eat.
Good
morning. Good morning. Good evening. Hello, everyone.
Hindi ka siya hayag.
Yeah.
Pakita sad.
Yes. So we're just.
Thank you.
Daling tikog eh.
Ay, ikaw na sa kuwan.
Or atong ibilin tomorrow.
Maghimo.
Hi, ate! Hello, hello. Anong ulam nyo? Okay. This is our food, girl. We're having egg, 1 piece of bread with butter, sriracha, a little bit of spicy, and chicken. Krisha, what's yours?
I'm having egg with tomato and chicken.
Chicken rice. And this is our dessert. Krisha made this one. And we also have
Isda.
homemade isda. Thank you for watching. Kain tayo. So,
Para tayo.
ang
Ito.
taka.
Ito.
Wala na ko na lasahan. Or sadyang walay asin ang ako ang nakaon. Sa itlog. First bite. This is for you. Lang, I can't open this one lang. Ooh. Magic. Hi, Krisha. Thank you for watching. Ay, hilain man.
Pili ka viewers, diba? Diba ka viewers?
Ngayon diri a 3, tapos diri a 2.
Isa na lang. Kaya mo isa. Yun sige, kuwan ka salad. Knife.
Ha?
Ano ba kumunik ka sa Pinas?
Magkinamot. Dili ka kabalugod mo gamit na. Malipot na kung sa.
Yung wala. Mabalik ko na si Mong Sanchez. Siguro.
Maglisod na ko. Hindi ako siya ganyan. Pero pag inaniyam, nayus na ako. Ka-filler po ni mo, girl, eh.
Huh?
Ako ba?
Ako ka, I can do 3. Guys. Ang tulo.
Unsa? Magkinamot?
Kutsara ito. Knife and fork.
I can do that also. Pero malibog ko ba, unsaon? Kabalo ko. We have the sriracha.
Yata yung sriracha dito sa kwan mo ha.
Wala.
Can I have kwan? Ito. Thank you.
Three siya. Tapos direct 1.
Ano ba? 3.
3.
Pwede ikwan tunga-tunga ka.
Ha?
Pwede tunga-tunga.
Tunga-tunga.
Happy tunga-tunga.
Ahon sa?
Nagagawa ko pa.
Ano tunga-tunga?
Mag-half na kayo na half na kayo ko.
Move na to a little bit. Dapat, ano ta? Forward is good.
Ako?
So, yeah. Half makita. And we're gonna put some sriracha. Cheers.
Tago na lang.
Dakuas ako.
Kaya kung nangundo. Tapos ganit.
Sige lang. Mas ako eh.
Or pare-parehan.
Good morning.
Morning.
In the Philippines.
Ay, sakto.
Ano saan nataran?
Alas 12, kapit na wala-una.
Oh, di ba? Tapos na gabi pa sa ka. We're just having our dinner. Ate! Hello! Ang among gikaon ate kay, itlog with kamatis, pan, kay kusya, kay manok og rice. Mo niya mo ang panihapon karon. Kay tapulan man luto. Kumusta na ate? Unsa imong gikaon dra ate dinner nimo? Kaon ta. Kalami ba? Ni mas lami mong food ra ah. Mas lami mo hang food ra ah. Wala ka? Nagluto pa ka? Nagluto pa ka, te? Or naghulat pa ka sa food nga mahumagluto? Pretty naman kay ka, oy. Sexy na kay ka ba sa mood? Kasi secret, nag-gym ka. Sriracha. Asa gani ka dito agapon ka nagpuyo sa imuhang sige lang tog sa dira agapon ka nagpuyo sa imuhang dating post.
Sorry.
Or na kay another nga gikapuy-an karon. Sabay gapon mo nagakaon nila? Dagan na ako pangutan. Nagulat pa ka sa Master Chef. Master Cheer. Sure. Sana all kay naay ginahulat, naay hulaton. Si Krisha. Relate ka lang. Oo, sa dati Japon. Sabay gapon dahil mo nagakaon. O saban, ganahan ka nga sabay mo or dili. Okay lang man mag-story at hindi na kayo wala magyapon sila. Di magyapon sila kasabot. Di po sila makakita. O saban, ganahan ka nga mo sabay kaon sa ilaha or dili. Hugot kasi Krisha, te. Okay naman. Maayo. Kailan kang Ate Jessel? Filipina po siya. Au pair siya before. Tapos karon nag-work na siya diri for good. Naa siya sa Sige, ang unahan sa... Sige, kadapiti sa Vodsko. Ay, dili day, uy. Sa Yalero. Sige ka nagpuyo, te? Ay, te Jess. Ay, tama, sa Droning Lon. Ka-familiar ka sa Droning Lon?
Oo.
Nay, team, na ay ihatag daw si Krisha sa imuha. na siya uncle, tito, kuya, relative. I-ano na to? Buutan kay Tido. Unahan pa sa Yellerop. Tama. Unahan pa sa Yellerop ang Droning Lon.
Oo.
Dito siya. Nice. Dako kayong balay ni ate dito. Dato kayo. Kanang pagsulod di mo sa CR kay wow. Dato kayo. Kanang malamaster kayo ano ba? Tapos ano man te, kumusta man ang imuhang trabaho? Okay lang, makaya ra?
Kasi ang trabaho. Kasi ang trabaho.
Wala ko kabalo. Murag ang kaligong manok kay dili na guni dapat kutsilyon o tinidor. Dapat kamo to na guni. You do the talking.
Oh. Busog na kay ko. Napa na siya, oh.
Ako asa ni manog kaon. Of course, dili ko magpakita. So, you do the talking. Ako ba? Kita gapon.
Pwede makita yung baba na higit.
Dapat it's either we're gonna use Tagalog or English, not Bisaya.
Ano?
So that our foreign friends, Tagalog friends can understand. Because Bisaya friends can understand all. They are
multi-language.
Yeah. So, Krisha's with me tonight. This weekend, I am here at their house. They went to Norway. They spent their holiday there, doing some ski and band together with Kuya Eric's daughter. Right?
And son.
And son.
Family.
Huh?
Family.
Family. Oops. What else?
I don't.
Krisha drinks tea. Kasi
I'm sick.
she's sick. Para din sa kanyang lalamunan. Kasi kumakate.
Kati means katol. Di man siya katol na kuan plima.
Maybe because of the weather.
Thank you for that.
We're gonna finish this one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wash my feet.
Okay. Can I have also one? No. I think tissue. Tissue will do. How's your day over there? Musta na ato ang country? Kasi nabalitaan ko na it's very chaotic now in the Philippines. Wherein there's so much groups, teams. But of course, we are pro Dutertes. We're gonna give our support here in Denmark. But the thing is, we can't vote. I can't vote. So we're already finished eating our dinner, and we were gonna have this dessert. Krisha have sandwich cakes. I don't know. This is sandwich cakes?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also we have, what is this called?
Banana cake.
Banana cake. Hi po, ate. Kasi before, natawag ko siyang sir. Tapos, nag-scroll ako. Blessy Labarigo. Babae pala. Akala ko lalaki. So, hello po, ate. Sorry. Good morning. Bakit hindi pa kayo natutulog? Alauna na ba? Or, yeah, 1 minute para mag-alauna na sa Philippines. Dito sa amin, alas 5, 1 minute para mag-alas 6 ng gabi. Hello po. Kasi at first, tiningnan ko lang yung profile pic, hindi yung name. So, ano man, parang lalaki. So, tawag ko, hello po, sir. Babae pala, babo ko. Is this mine or this one?
This is yours.
This is mine? Really?
Oo.
Sure?
Kay mas di man to kuha mo, kay mas kuha.
Okay. Naka-duty. Naka-duty po kayo, pero ba't kayo gumagamit ng phone ngayon?
Ako sa gani.
Is it allowed? Okay.
Imo na other half na na. Gusto ka?
It's up to you.
Okay, mo.
If you can finish.
Napabi ko ano.
Sure, pwede po. I thought you were gonna do the talking.
I thought so too.
Yeah. Why you're so quiet?
I'm always quiet. Pain. Isa?
Sabi niya,
Pahingi.
yeah, Okay.
Here you go. Oh.
Offer. Sa kantin.
Ah.
Okay.
Bisaya siya Tagalog.
You can ask her.
Bisaya ka o Tagalog?
You're so pretty talaga lang.
Ikaw saan?
Like, sobrang dalaga mo tingnan kapag yung hair mo is naka-straight. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're really so pretty.
Ikaw sa...
Sa kantin. Ah, okay po. May kantin bang nag-ooperate ng umaga? Sa school po or company or what kind of canteen? Krisha asked po kung Tagalog ka ba or Bisaya. Why we always have... Hi po, sir. Hi po, 4 viewers. Thank you for watching. But, bakit po kayo gising na ngayon? Alauna pa lang sa Philippines.
Maybe there's also someone that are not in the Philippines and it's they're abroad.
Okay.
OFW.
Okay. Hi,
Overseas
hi
Filipino
overseas.
worker.
Hi overseas, Bobo. Unsa man magpa-stay kog hair or magpakulot? Or
Ang good name mo?
just let it go, let it go.
Kanos for what?
Like,
Ako kay nana every after ako routine gisa kong buhok kay ko maligo ko. Unya ako na gina-blow dryer. Kay kung dili akong gina-air dry lang kay kuan kulot kay siya unya kanang pagka ba. Unya kuan nakita sa kong video nga mas healthy daw ikuan i-blow dry mo buhok kaysa i-air dry.
okay.
Isa 24 hours open kasi na calendar.
Ah, okay. Kasi sa atin sa Philippines, napakaraming karinderya. Lalo na pag sa syudad kasi marami ding mga tao pa sa labas. Nagtatrabaho. Hindi natutulog. Or maybe malapit sa mga bus terminal. Or sa company. Mga ganun. 24 hours? Grabe, hindi po kayo natutulog.
Basta nag-change sila.
Maybe.
Kuan.
Or maybe shift.
Oh, yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay.
Nag-change sila people ba? There's someone that work from 5 to maybe 1 and then 1 to 6 and yeah.
Sarap.
But it fail. Because wala siya air.
Why?
Kanang kay siya. Bakit siya ba? Dili kay siya kanang basta. Okay. Lakman.
Ask.
Kuan. How long have you been working there? Diba sa Denmark siya din eh?
Ha?
Sa Denmark siya.
Denmark.
Ano siya?
Wala, naman siya sa Philippines.
Ay. Abi na kung, never mind.
Si Ate Jess to. Can you see Ate Blessy?
Ito yung ato akong hair routine. Diba akong gina-blow dryer. We divide out to, then akong ginatuyok-tuyok. So, curly na kita akong buhok. Pero mas nice nga curl kaysa akong natural.
Unsa may hindi naman, for example, wash your hair, tapos shampoo,
dayon. Akong scrub, oo.
Scrub from the tip,
sa dinhiragit sa kuwan akong dili apil ang dinhi. Dayon, akong gina-wash off. Dayon kuan conditioner. Then pero ang conditioner din hiragyo sa akong mga ends. Then akong ginabutang ang kamay din hiyo sa kanil din hiyo. And akong ginaana. Dayon, ako din ginaana.
Squish.
Press din hiyo.
Yeah.
Dayon, ako siyang ginabutang din ha. Wala akong gihugas sa kuan.
Mga how minutes?
Ambot. 3 to 5. More or less. Pero ako lang gina-stay good para maka-work ang kuan ba conditioner. Then human, akong gina-dry akong buhok. First, akong ipon sa towel. Singal bali. Basta, ipon sa towel. Dayon, saka ko din Dayon, mag-hair dye din ko. Pakita?
Ana siya?
Oo.
Tapos, unsa man gamit? Heat or just normal?
Heat. Sa lugar normal.
Normal nga air lang, di ba? 3 na siya, 1, 2, 3.
Like cold and low heat dayon.
Super. Asa lang gamit?
Kuan, full heat.
Full heat.
Number 3. Then, I divide my hair into 2. Then, while I blow dry it, akong kinakuan, blow dry. Then, para mauga siya gamay ba? Dinhi, then gamay dinhi. Then, pagkahumanan na akong
tuyok.
While nag-blow dry ko, akong kituyok.
And then?
Akong ginaana-ana. Dayon, kung ma-feel ako nga dry na siya,
I
let it stay until maybe overnight, and then it will be curly when I go to school. So maybe.
Nice.
And also in the middle of that, I also blow dry my bangs here, and I put it on a hair roller. Hair roller. And then I will get a very beautiful hair next month.
Yeah, super.
So yeah. That's my hair routine. And many have complimented.
I don't have hair routine.
No. Oy, sa lugar maghihim. Sa
lugar na po.
Wala, ako may
Okay lang man lang. Pero kung ako, okay siya. Ayaw lang ko i-mind. Kaya ma-amaze lang ko ba? Kaya ang lugar magod, it's a place. Tapos, ginagamit ang gani ba?
Ang butsad nga wala. It's like a slang.
Dili na siya insulto or bully, ha?
Ano?
Ganahan lang ko nga ba? Lugar. Gani, cute siya, cute. Oh. Sa lugar ka mag-add to?
Sa lugar niya siya, o sa lugar si Kuan, di siya manhi. Hala. Nag-chika-chika ta, so na-boring na ang Kuan.
Yeah.
Anong tanong sa ilaha?
Where are you na, guys? Come back, please.
Magkahaka. Dili na. Kumusta man imong Kuan di ay? I never ask. Sa imong Kuan ba?
Anong dagko man lagi na imong?
Ambot, kay mama, wala din na siya sa skin.
Okay. Let's do the talking.
I was talking about Kuan. Yung hair dryer.
Okay.
Does it work?
Of course, a lot.
Did you use the equipment? No.
Yes.
The small one.
Yes.
Yeah.
I use it, but just once.
And then you took it off. So you only use it like that.
I use the small one because of the blush.
I mean, I was talking about the hair dryer.
Yeah. The small one.
The katong flat ba?
Yes. I tried to use it but not on my hair. I washed this one.
Yeah.
Because it's super dirty.
Uh-uh.
And then I put it with, I use the soap, the detergent, and hot water. And it turns out na marami siyang oil. So, yeah. So I really need to
wash it off.
Yeah, with soap. And then I tried to use it and then wipe. But the thing is, there's so much oil in here. So I don't know how. And then I tried, I figured out. I have the blower. I also have the equipment. So I tried to, and then it turns out
perfect.
Yeah. To go back normally. Nice. And then I also used the bigger one, the circle.
Yeah. That's for the curl.
Yes, because my hair is totally
curly. And I also use it, but you know, in a hair dryer like that, it vacuum on the back. So I'm kind of afraid when I do that, and then it will vacuum my hair.
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
Yes, I tried it, and I always use the scissor to cut my hair.
I've tried many times, so I have some place in my hair is like small, but it's not that obvious.
Something like that.
Have you noticed something on my lamp?
Yeah, it's quite new.
What? No, yeah, that's also, but that I mean that.
Yeah, the purple ribbon and then the pink.
Yeah.
I've noticed this one when we prepared the gift of kuyas.
For kuyas.
For kuyas.
Yes. The rose?
Are you the one who made this one?
Yes.
Really?
Oo. With my hands.
Can you teach me how?
Yes, but yeah.
It takes a lot of time.
Actually, not that much. Maybe 2 hours.
2 hours.
More or less.
So, ano naman gagawin natin ngayon?
I was thinking of making more because it looks like kind of naked, only the tree.
Tapos, as get chika time.
I look like a tomboy. You know, with my deep voice.
Okay. Chika time tayo.
But inside I'm a pretty girl. Dagan kay gagakwondo. Dagan kay gapilit ko si Mura.
I don't know why either. Do you want? Okay. Who wants to have the hostess?
Ginaw.
Ganaw.
Ako
Ganaw.
Tulan ako kay Angkol. Igsuon ni Dada.
Yeah, Ginaw.
It's like, okay.
Yeah, right. Okay, yeah. Something, Ginaw.
Yeah. Baliwado. Anay, Basmakdu.
Vasmakdu?
Ginaw.
Vasmakdu, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Wohin genve?
Wohin?
Wohin gesdu. Wohin gehst du?
Where was I?
Yeah. Where did you go? Wohin gehst du? Where are you going? Wohin gehst du? Kirche. Oh. Krisha went to the church this day. Was machst du?
Gesungen, gehört.
Perfect.
Oder
du sitzen?
ja.
Du sitzt.
Oder
Du sitzt.
siehst Essen.
Ja, Essen.
Ja.
Ist Essen lecker?
Ja.
Oh, genau.
Genau.
Wow, perfect. Okay. What else?
Only try to speak German for
But-
the rest of the life.
We're trying, but it's super hard.
I'm actually kind of surprised of how much German I can speak.
Actually,
Because usually on the class I'm just quiet. Quiet and not like raising hands and then hey, that's the answer. I'm just doing my
stuff.
Yeah, what it's called, assignment. Yeah.
Genau.
Funny.
Schnell.
Warum?
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 Do you know what it means?
Why?
Yeah. Where did you learn all the German?
I learned it first because of my sister. She's the one who teach me. She also gave me the books where there's some I don't know if it's a dictionary or yeah, kind of, and also some stories wherein there's a conversation in different aspects, like in a restaurant, and you're asking where's the location, or let's say the airport or something like that. So yeah, there's also some time that we do the call and she's also teaching some German. Genau. Like what is this? Wie heißt du?
Ich heiße Krisha.
Ach.
Ich bin
wait.
15 Jahre
Wie
alt.
heißt du? Wie alt bist du?
Ich bin 15 Jahre alt.
Wow, you are so good.
Danke.
Genau.
Wo kommst du? Woher kommst du?
Ja,
aus?
woher kommst du?
Ich kam aus Philippinen. But in Danish we call it Philippinen. But sometimes
Ich komme aus den Philippinen.
Philippinen. Because sometimes the Danish word and the German word is like the same, but in different speaking, what it's called, pronunciation.
Sprichst du Deutsch?
Small, what is it called?
Ja,
Klein.
ich spreche und verstehe ein wenig Deutsch. Ein bisschen.
Bisschen. Good.
But I don't know if tama ba yung pagkasabi, but I don't know.
We tried.
Kinda. So, ano yung magagawin natin ngayon?
I can also speak Korean.
Korean, 안녕하세요.
보고 싶어요. 보고 싶어.
괜찮아?
괜찮아. 땡땡땡. 땡땡땡땡. 괜찮아. 땡땡땡.
Ano lang?
What?
This one. 괜찮아?
There's a group I've been studying for a while now.
Huh?
There's a group I've been studying for a while.
What?
K-pop group. 17.
P-pop.
K-pop. Beanie. Do you know what? Beanie just have their first concert in Philippine Arena.
Nah, I'm not a fan. Sorry.
There's a
We should support our
fellow
groups. Yeah.
Filipino.
Yeah.
Filipino.
But I just really don't like. Sorry.
Who do you support?
Nothing.
Just Hope Channel.
Yeah. Not just that. I also listen with their like music. I also watch their
What music do you listen to when you're like alone, or just do what? When you just
Lights, Music of Hope, the Astor's Home, some OPM,
original Filipino
yeah,
music.
Yeah, that's it. And also some mix.
I have one different taste because sometimes I listen to K-pop, pop, Filipino music, and yeah, English.
Yeah. Like Rihanna, Taylor Swift, Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
Kinda
Ato
strange.
About Anna. Turn out that that's why we're sometimes laughing because we heard our own voice on another phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought you do the talking.
Okay. In another one. Good situation.
We're in a good situation now.
Okay. So what we were talking about, because we have my phone here in backstage behind the camera, not behind but on the side of the camera.
On the right, to be specific.
So we can see how we like look on the video. You know what I mean? So that's why we like sometimes laugh in the silence out of nowhere because we hear our own voice and it sounds funny.
Perfect.
Genau.
Genau.
Should we clean up?
Yeah.
Okay, so unfortunately today's live is over because yeah, it's over, and we also need to clean up and yes, and maybe and wash our face and like get ready to go to bed, but it's too early, but we're just gonna do it, so we don't need to do it later. But maybe we'll be going live tomorrow again, so we'll see you there. So bye bye.